43 years old. I have experience for household workers in Qatar in 5 years and a half. My main duty is cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, cleaning outside, and also babysitter. The two kids, boy, 4 years old and 2 years old. I cook them food, I give them food, I preparing their dress, I taking a bath for them, I playing with them. And also, I'm have experience in farm in 8 years. For my future employer, I'm a hardworking woman, I'm flexible, I'm energetic, I'm honest, I'm kind. To my future employer, I hope I'm the one to take me. I do my best everything as well. Thank you so much and